Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do a build on a, I believe it's a 1940 Ford. Let's see. Yeah, 1940 Ford Coupe. This is a Coca-Cola version, but I'm not sure that's the way I'm going to build it. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, get it all laid out, and I'll come right back to you. Well, this is basically it, guys. There's not a whole lot to this kit. There's a chrome tree still, but I didn't take all that out yet because I don't need it yet. But very basic body, fenders, hood, undercarriage, interior, and a couple of pieces for the motor. That's basically it. And then, of course, your windshield and your tires and that. But yeah, this one ought to be done here any minute. I'm gonna pick out a color and go from there. So there it is, folks. This is the AMT 1940 Ford Coupe. It is this box right here. Kit number AMT 1346M-12, and I gotta tell you, this kit had more flashing on it than I don't know, any kit I've seen in a long time. It may be time for some retooling on this one. Fitment on this one was pretty bad. The chassis underneath is kind of warped and twisted a little bit. It kind of not too bad with the body on it, but there you can see it moving a little bit, so it doesn't lay completely flat. Fitment of the interior was horrible. If you test fit it without the glass, everything went in there perfect, but as soon as you put the glass in, that little 1/16 of an inch or whatever throws the alignment off of everything and makes it very difficult to put it in. I actually ended up cutting off the little locating tabs on the interior bucket. I cut them off because it was preventing the back of the interior to actually go up and meet the body. Other than that, it was an enjoyable build. I had fun building it, but man, it was a toughie. But it happens. Nothing like a good challenge. The bumpers are still drying. I literally just put them on there and 5 seconds ago before I started the camera. But I wanted to get this video out. That's a nice shot of it there. I like the way it looks right there. That's pretty cool. Let's see here. Fitment on the hood was a little rough too. Let me just pull it right off. There you go. There's the engine. I went with the flathead V8 option. That's about it. I don't really have a lot to say about this one other than it's time to get it retooled or discontinue this mold or something. It's definitely been used, that's for sure. The mold. That's another one in the books. We'll be putting that up on the shelf here in a little while, and be done with it. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I can't put that hood on with one hand, so I'll just set it there for a minute. Thank you all for stopping by. Appreciate your time. Please be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.